Got the poopies out.
Take the poopy out. More poopy.
Yeah.
Poopy.
More poopy.
More poopies?
More poopy.
More
Oh my
poopies.
gosh.
Holy mackerel, so much poopies.
More poopy.
It's incredible.
A big poopy.
Oh, by the poopies.
Big poopy.
Biggest poopy of all, I guess.
Big poopy.
Oh, yes. All gone? Did you get all the poopies?
I need it.
You need a clean diaper? Here. Here's the clean diaper.
Make sure you got all those poopies out of there.
Poopies.
Okay, you can put the wipes down. Thank you.
Whoa, watch where you put that. Straight to the trash.
Good job.
Look at that. Amazing. You do that so well. And baby doll's pretty tricky too.
You put the diaper down. It's upside down like that. Okay. Up. Can you fold that up?
Now go on the side. Go. Get the side. Get the side. Gotta put the side up here. Put it up right there. There you go. Now this side too. No, I don't think so. It's like this. Like this, and you gotta put this piece. This piece you gotta put up here. Okay, good. Try again. Try again. One more time. Okay, good job. Very good. Very good.
Ma.
Look at that baby, all with the diaper on and everything, all clean, all poopy out, all clean. And very good. You take that off very good.
I want it.
Now wipe. There you go. Make it.
Honey, you want to take a ride? See Nico? This is
Yeah.
like we're going to do it now or I'm not doing it.
I'm ready.